In today's digital world, we are able to connect virtually with friends and family anywhere in the world. Keep up with the latest news both locally and internationally. Enjoy endless amounts of sports and entertainment, and so much more, all in the palm of our hands. But, like any good thing, it is essential to set clear boundaries, making sure that we steward the gift of technology that God has given us well. Gerald May once wrote, "Spaciousness is always a beginning, a possibility, a potential, a capacity for birth." Creating spaciousness throughout our day is an excellent first step towards stewarding the gift of technology. However, this movement towards spaciousness requires intentionality on our part. Why is that? It is because the technology we allow into our lives has a way of expanding until it takes up all the available space in our day. Because technology naturally flows towards expansion, we need to create regular rhythm of unplugging from technology in our lives. Our phones, our tablets, our TVs, computers, and smartwatches. This rhythm of unplugging creates the necessary space for uninterrupted time with God. Deuteronomy chapter 8, verse 10 to 11 says, excuse me, "And you shall eat and be full, and you shall bless the Lord your God for the good land he has given you. Take care lest you forget the Lord your God by not keeping his commandments and his rules and his statutes, which I command you today." And then we move on to Deuteronomy chapter 4, verse 9, which says, "Only take care and keep your soul diligently, lest you forget the things that your eyes have seen, and lest they depart from your heart all the days of your life. Make them known to your children and your children's children." And then we move on to our last verse of the day, which is Psalm 109. It says, "Blessed affectionately, gratefully praise the Lord, O my soul, and forget not one of all his benefits." So guys, that was our daily devotional on unplugging. This is the first episode on a three-part episode, and you will get another. I will be uploading another video tomorrow morning, and I think it's a great way to help you unplug and to fill your life with what is important rather than be occupied by our cell phones, our screens, and everything else that is just making us anxious all the time. And yeah, man, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And for more daily devotionals, comment down below and I'll make some more daily devotionals if you like it. Thank you. Bye.